My name is Emma, and today I want to talk about my best friend. Friendship is very important for a happy and balanced life. I am sitting on my sofa with a large, old photo album. My friend Leo is sitting next to me, looking at the pictures. We met 15 years ago on a very sunny summer day. Leo was a quiet boy who loved to draw trees and birds. I was a little girl who always asked too many questions. My wavy brown hair was much shorter in those old photos. Leo wears a gray scarf today, and he looks very handsome. We laugh because we see a photo of our first school play. I am a proactive teacher, but I remember being a shy student. Leo was always there to support me during difficult times. The artistic lines of our memories feel very warm and soft. My expressive brown eyes shine when I think about our childhood. We talk about the old park where we played every single evening. Leo remembers the taste of the lemon ice cream we bought. I remember the big oak tree where we hid our secret messages. It is wonderful to have someone who knows your whole story. My light skin tone looks bright in the morning sun. Leo is a professional illustrator, but he is still the same boy. He has a very kind heart and a very creative mind. We turn the pages and see our high school graduation day. I am satisfying with the way our lives changed over the years. True friends are like stars, you do not always see them. But you know that they are always there for you in the dark. Leo points at a photo of my first day at the university. I felt very nervous, but he told me I could be a great teacher. His words gave me the courage to follow my big dream. The first scene of my podcast is a tribute to our past. Our friendship is a logical and beautiful journey of two souls. We go to Leo's small art studio to see his new work. The room smells like pencils, paper, and fresh ink. Leo takes his favorite sketchbook and opens the first page. I see a beautiful drawing of a girl with wavy brown hair. Is this me, Leo? I ask with a very surprised smile. He nods and says that I am his favorite person to draw. I feel very touched and happy to be his inspiration today. My soft features are captured perfectly in his artistic style. Leo explains the technique he used for the shadows and light. I am a proactive teacher who loves to learn about different arts. We look at the drawings of the city streets and old houses. Every picture tells a unique and very interesting story. The colors in the studio are vibrant and very inspiring. Leo is a very talented man who works with great passion. I am satisfying with the quality of his creative vision. We talk about the importance of following your own talent. Leo says that my teaching is also a form of high-quality art. I think he is right because I create a future for my students. My light skin tone looks radiant among the colorful paints. We spend an hour discussing the new project for a children's book. Leo wants me to help him with the English text for the story. I accept the offer immediately because I love working with him. Our collaboration is a perfect example of mutual support. My warm smile shows how much I value his trust and help. Leo sharpens his pencil and draws a small bird on the margin. He is a person who sees beauty in every small detail. The second scene of our day is full of creativity and joy. I am proud to have such a gifted best friend in my life. We decide to take a break and go for a walk outside. The studio is a magical place where dreams become visible. We return to my apartment to work on my school lessons. I have a lot of English textbooks on my wooden desk. Leo sits next to me and offers to help with the illustrations. We want to make the grammar rules easier for the children. I am a proactive teacher who wants her lessons to be fun. Leo draws a funny cat to explain the preposition under. I laugh because the cat looks very silly and very cute. My wavy brown hair is tied back as I focus on the text. We find a very difficult word and try to explain it simply. Leo is very patient, and he has many great suggestions. The afternoon light is soft and makes the room feel cozy. I am satisfying with the progress of our common work today. Our best friend status means we can talk about everything. We discuss the challenges of my work and his art career. Leo says that every challenge is an opportunity to grow. I agree and feel much more confident about my next class. My expressive brown eyes watch him drawing another cat. This cat is sitting on a box to show the next rule. The 2D artistic lines are clean and very easy to understand. I value Leo's opinion because he is very honest and kind. He is a reliable friend who never leaves me alone with problems. We finish the first chapter of the new lesson plan together. I feel a lot of gratitude for his help and his time today. My light skin tone looks fresh in the quiet indoor light. Leo puts the pencils away and stretches his tired arms. We are a great team of two different but connected people. The third scene of our story is about learning and sharing. I am lucky to have a friend who supports my professional life. Our collaboration makes the work feel like a pleasant game. We are ready for our traditional evening walk in the park. We walk to the park and buy 2 cups of hot cocoa. The air is cool, and the leaves on the trees are orange. Leo holds the warm cups and gives one to me with a smile. To our long friendship, Emma, he says softly. I take a sip and feel the sweet warmth inside my body. We walk slowly along the lake and watch the ducks. My wavy brown hair moves in the soft autumn breeze. The atmosphere in the park is peaceful and very romantic. Leo tells me a funny story about his first art exhibition. He was so nervous that he forgot his own middle name. We laugh together, and the sound is like a happy song. I am satisfying with the simple joy of this quiet moment. My expressive brown eyes reflect the golden light of the sun. We talk about our future plans and our biggest dreams. Leo wants to travel to Japan to study traditional drawing. I want to visit London to see the great English libraries. We promise to visit each other if we live in different countries. But I know that our friendship can survive any distance. My warm smile is a reflection of my inner peace and comfort. Leo is a very good listener who remembers every small detail. He asks me about my students and their progress in English. I tell him that they are very smart and very energetic today. The artistic style of the park looks like a classic film. I feel like a character in a story about true and deep love for a friend. Every step we take makes me feel more relaxed and happy. Leo stops to look at a beautiful sunset over the mountains. He says that the colors are perfect for his next big painting. I am a proactive girl who enjoys the beauty of the present. The fourth scene of our day is sweet, warm, and very calm. Our friendship is a treasure that I protect every day. When we return, Leo stops me and looks very serious. I have something special for you, Emma, he says. He takes a small, beautifully wrapped box from his bag. I feel very surprised and I cover my mouth with my hands. My expressive brown eyes are full of curiosity and light. I open the paper slowly and find a beautiful silver brooch. It is shaped like a small open book with a tiny pencil. This is for the best teacher and the best friend, Leo says. I feel very touched, and I almost cry with great joy. The gift is perfect because it represents both of our lives. I pin the brooch to my blue sweater and it looks amazing. Leo's warm smile shows that he is happy with my reaction. I am satisfying with the kindness and the depth of his heart. True friendship is not about money, but about small gestures. My light skin tone looks radiant in the evening glow. We stand in the hallway, and I give him a big, friendly hug. The 2D lines of our apartment are soft and very welcoming. I am a proactive person who always tries to be thankful. Leo says that he bought it because it reminded him of me. I tell him that I will wear it every day at the school. This moment is a logical result of our many years of trust. My wavy brown hair is soft, and I feel very safe with him. We decide to have a small dinner to celebrate the day. Leo helps me in the kitchen with the salad and the pasta. Cooking together is another fun part of our long friendship. The evening is young, and the atmosphere is very positive. The fifth scene of my story is a moment of pure emotion. I am lucky to have a friend who knows how to surprise me. Our friendship is a high-quality bond that lasts forever. We are ready for the final part of our wonderful Saturday. We sit on the balcony and watch the city lights appear. The sky is a mix of dark blue, purple, and soft orange. I rest my head on Leo's shoulder in a very friendly way. We are quiet because we do not need words to be happy. My expressive brown eyes watch the first stars in the sky. Leo is looking at the horizon with a very calm expression. I am a character in a story about peace and true connection. My wavy brown hair reflects the golden light of the lamps. I am satisfying with the ending of this beautiful day. Leo says that he is very glad we spent this time together. I tell him that he is the most important person in my world. Our friendship is a logical and very stable part of my life. I am a proactive teacher who is ready for a new week. But I know that next weekend we will meet again for a walk. The 2D artistic style makes the city look like a dream today. Every detail of our friendship is perfect and very sincere. I feel a lot of gratitude for Leo's presence in my life. He is a reliable friend, a talented artist, and a kind man. My warm smile shows my inner strength and my deep joy. The night is cool, but our hearts are very warm and full. We listen to the quiet sounds of the city below our balcony. Leo stands up and says it is time for him to go home. I walk him to the door and we say goodbye with a smile. I am Emma, and my story about my best friend is complete. Friendship is a light that guides us through the dark times. I look in the mirror and see the silver brooch on my sweater. Everything is organized, tidy, and full of great meaning today. I am ready to dream about new adventures and new sketches. The podcast of my Saturday is officially finished and successful. Leo is my best friend, and I am the happiest girl.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.